extra, get it while it's hot. So, 2 new products today, complementary products, and it's the holder for the spare wheel cover. This is installed in the boot chassis, and it usually breaks down either due to wear and tear, or years, or most cases mishandling. All of the cases which I had in my shop were mishandling because people are too fast and they are too nervous. So we have a 2-piece set. This is the stopper, and this is the holder where you put inside the strip from the holder of the spare wheel. So quite simple. This goes into the metal. This stopper goes inside. And what does this stopper do? So this stopper, let me show you, will block those 2 pins with a slight groove, so it stays between 2 pieces of metal, so the upper and the lower one. Installation, I approximate a minute or 2. You need a flathead screwdriver. Most important thing is to remove the stopper before you do anything. So the stopper needs to be outside. This one goes in, and then the stopper. So if you have a pre-existing piece inside, you need firstly to remove the stopper, nice and gently, side. Then you can remove this from the chassis. Do not do this with the stopper inside, because you will either bend the metal or you will break a plastic. But if you break it, Octo has a new one. So let's go to the car. Okay, so here we go. The deinstallation of the old one. What you need to be extra careful is that you pull the stopper out. This is the most common mistake which people made, that they don't pull this one out. Also, one more suggestion, do this when it's warm ambient temperature. So meaning plastic breaks if it's cold outside, it's less rigid. So we have the new part. It goes in. Should go in the right way. So it's this. You hold it a bit and you push the stopper inside all the way, and that's that. As I said, please try to do this when it's a bit warm outside. And the point of the stopper is that it goes inside. Inside here, and it expands these 2, so that's why it's fixed inside. So as I said, the stopper goes here, and it expands this to the end pieces, so they click in. So don't do this with the stopper. Don't push it in forcefully, because you will break it. So first, stopper 1, remove, put the new one in, and that's that.